Nature of management. First one, continuous process. Management is a never-ending process. It continuously follows a series of steps like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling for effective utilization of financial and personnel organization resource. Hence, management is an unending process that follows a number of steps so that the problem are identified and resolved. Second nature. Management has a career. Management on its own is an excellent career option offering diverse growth opportunities. Third nature. Goal oriented. Every organization has to attain a set of predetermined goals. The success or failure of the management depends on the extent to which these objectives have been achieved. Fourth nature. Management is a human activity. Management can be termed as a human activity, and the functions of management can only be performed by the organizational staff members. It is an intangible activity which can be felt but not seen or touched. Fifth nature. Management is a universal. Application of management is universal. It can be applied anywhere and everywhere. Sixth nature. Management is a dynamic. It is difficult for any business environment to remain constant for a long period. Hence, management also changes with every change in the environment of the business. Seventh nature. Management is a decision making. Decision making is an important activity for the business manager. Decisions are based on the available facts and figures and depend on the understanding and analysis of the managers. Eighth nature. Management has a discipline. Management may not fit well in the context of discipline like other physical sciences, but its status is gradually increasing amongst the practitioners of management. In recent times, the status of management as a discipline is increasing as it provides certified information and knowledge to management practitioners and also aims at discovering new aspects of the business world. Ninth nature guidance. Management provides guidance and explain the way in which human and material resources can utilized in the most efficient manner. Tenth nature. Management is a profession. Management is not an inherent ability, it is a profession. Managers are not born, they are made by proper training and acquiring managerial skill. As management is a discipline and body knowledge, any qualified person can become a manager.